were pushed aside in life, left standing without a place of our own, so tired of waiting, wanting to sit down as if no one could understand. I stand before a world so cold, the road ahead feels far away. Through a passing window I can see someone working, sweating through the day. I used to long for rest so badly, but that feeling slowly fades away, washing off these falling drops of sweat. I see we've almost reached the place we're meant to stay. The ruthless wind pushed me from my ground. I lost the place where I once stood. I lift my eyes toward distant mountains, searching for something good. A whisper of hope rides on the wind, softly calling out to me, calling out to anyone who listens, calling those who still believe, to the ones who carry hope inside. Even if you fall again, heaven will not turn away from you. When I found myself once more, I saw we'd reached our journey's end. Pieces of cloud drift across the sky. Migrating birds have lost their way. Our lives are just the same as theirs, wandering without a place to stay. Like birds that fly with no direction, searching for a distant shore. Tell me now where we are going. What are we still flying for? See me there, oh, bird, where will you go? Burning, holding joys from passing days. Life reveals its deeper flavor as the world in kindness stays. All the light it gives your restless spirit go. Homeless bird, where will you go? Live in hope and face tomorrow. In that peace we'll find our remember my hometown when I was young, walking to school hand in hand with friends, playing soccer, running through the schoolyard. I walked along the mountain path where azaleas bloomed so beautifully. With a child's small heart, I couldn't even pick a single flower. Today again, as I look ahead and walk that road, I ran through the narrow mountain path. The road where I played as a child, that road with my friends, is it still there now? Oh, my friend, we talked and laughed together. I will bring you an armful of flowers. Dressed neatly, I will come to meet you, my friend from childhood. I remember my hometown when I was young, running with friends, swimming in the stream, the place where we caught fish. I jumped into the clear flowing water, and without knowing the time, we played there all day long. Today again, as I walk and look at that road, but I'm through the place where I once played. The place where I played as a child, that road with my friends, is it still there now? Oh, my friend, we talked and laughed together. I will bring you an armful of flowers. Dressed neatly, I will come to meet you, my friend from childhood.
A flock of seagulls crying clear about to rise, yet lingering in the sky, between the paths of ships long gone, the playful fish leap up, as though to catch my eye, gathered close in childish play, then suddenly they were gone. What we thought was only play was never play at all. What we called a simple game, Kriya, 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 together like those seagulls wheeling high, now fading far beyond the sky. The blue sea sways as if it dances between the breaking waves. Beloved hands once waving gently leave a deeper ache. When we were together we never knew, but after parting now it's true. What we thought was only play was never play at all. What we called a simple game, carried on the ocean wind, we let our love go drifting by, yet now it burns more deep within. There's a name I wanna call tonight. Suddenly it's on my mind. A name that lingers on my lips, soft as wine. We used to share a love so deep. Your name still whispers in my sleep. Do you ever think of me the way I do? I can't let go. Call your name through the echoes of yesterday. Those reckless days have slipped away, but I still miss you more each day. Oh, when I close my eyes, I see your face, hear the words you used to say. You told me that you love me so in your gentle way. You were always by my side, sharing joy and quiet nights. Do you ever wonder
inside an empty cup. Warm coffee slowly fills it up. Thinking that the space was mine, I stayed there for a little time. Then a splash came pouring down, pushed the quiet air around. Empty places call my name, then they push me out again. Air that drifted far away, what was on your mind today? Did you lose your everything, living like a wandering thing? Did you lose your everything, living like a wandering thing? Round and round the spinning chair, I wish I could be sitting there. If I sat there just one day, how would life just drift away? Round and round the chair would spin, maybe I could laugh again. Maybe someday time will bring little joys and simple things. For a moment I just stand, stopping where I used to run, looking back the road I've known. Then I walk the road alone, looking back the road I've known.